Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious microwave omelet. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, and any fillings you desire, such as cheese, ham, or vegetables. Make sure to use a microwave-safe bowl, ideally 1 quart in size, for easy mixing and cooking. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, crack your 2 eggs into the bowl, add the 2 tablespoons of milk, and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously until the mixture is light and frothy. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook on high for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. You'll notice the edges starting to set, but the center will still be a bit liquidy, which is perfectly normal for this stage. Carefully take the bowl out of the microwave. Give the partially cooked egg mixture a gentle stir to redistribute the heat. Now is the perfect time to add your favorite fillings, spreading them evenly across the surface. Return the bowl to the microwave and cook for an additional 30 to 60 seconds. The omelet is done when it's fully set and no longer appears wet in the center. Once cooked, let your microwave omelet rest in the bowl for about 1 minute. This allows it to finish setting and makes it easier to remove. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. Feel free to garnish with fresh herbs or a little extra cheese for a delightful touch. Remember, cooking times can vary slightly, so adjust based on your microwave's power.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.